Chapter number 2. Organ System of Human Body. We are already aware with the organs of the human body. Human body is a wonderful machine made up of different organs. All these organs perform special functions. These work as a team. All the body parts or organs work in close cooperation to keep the body fit and healthy. A group of organs working together make an organ system. There are many organ systems in our body. Let us discuss them in detail. The skeleton system. The skeleton is the whole structure of our body. It is made up of bones. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. This skeleton provides a certain shape to the body and enables the body to move. Movement in body is possible due to joints. It also gives support to the body and saves the tender parts such as brain, eyes, lungs, heart, spinal cord, etc. Various parts of skeleton are as follows. Skull. It is a bone box which is made of 8 flat bones that are joined together. Skull is vital as it provides protection to brain. Brain is called the master organ. It protects the brain from mechanical injury or shock. Face is another important part of skull. It has 14 bones in all. These bones protect eyes, ears, tongue and nose. Backbone. The backbone is the part of our body on which skull rests. It consists of 33 ring-shaped bones joined together. They are known as vertebrates. Spinal cord is protected by spine that runs right from the neck to the hips. Rib cage. It has 12 pairs of curved bones which are called ribs. They protect the heart and the lungs. Limbs. Body has 2 pairs of limbs, a pair of forelimbs or arms and a pair of hind limbs or legs. They are made of long bones that are joined together. Girdles. There are 2 girdles in our body. One is shoulder girdle and another is hip girdle. The limbs are not directly joined to the backbone but are to the girdles. Girdles lie on either side of backbone and are fixed to it. Joints. A joint is formed when 2 bones join. Joint can be movable or immovable. There are 4 kinds of movable joints. Ball and socket joints. They are found in hips and shoulders. They allow maximum movement. Pivot joint. This joint exists between the head and the neck. In this type, one bone can move without disturbing the other. Sliding joint. This joint exists between the bones of backbone. It allows a slight movement. Hinge joint. The examples of hinge joint are elbow joint and knee joint. They allow only up and down movement. The muscular system. The muscles give shape and beauty to the body. They control the movements of the body. When they contract and expand, they allow bones to move. Muscular system has 650 muscles. Muscles consists of flesh, blood and fibers. The muscles are attached to bones by stretchable tissues called tendons. Muscles are of 3 kinds: voluntary, involuntary and cardiac muscles. How muscles work? The muscles in our body work by contracting and expanding. They create movement in body by pulling the bones. Muscles when contracted become shorter and thicker. When stretched, they become longer and thinner. Muscles always work in pairs. If one of the muscles pulls a bone up while contracting, the other pulls it down while relaxing. Things to remember: human body consists of organs that work in close coordination to each other. Skeleton gives a shape, support and strength to our body. Four major joints in our body are pivot joint, hinge joint, ball and socket joint, and sliding joint. Muscular system consists of 650 muscles. Muscles are of three kinds: voluntary, involuntary, and cardiac muscles.